Hello everybody, it's William here. Welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, we're building a 2D game, and this is a series of videos. So if you are just stumble upon on this video, you can just check other videos. This a whole playlist of it. We already finished the walking as well as the jumping. And we can change the animation, we can flip this player, but right now we're going to solve this problem of this player. You can jump multiple times, and we don't want we don't want that unless say if you play a game, yeah, I don't know whether you guys play the game or not. There is a game, I think it's a Korean game called Maple Story, that some of the class that you choose will have the ability to jump multiple times. I think 3 times tops. But well, we don't want that in our game, at least not for now. So I'm going to say that, hey, if this player that collide with the ground, and then we're going to jump and jump at 1 times, unless they touch the ground, then we can jump. Okay, so essentially, if you think about it, if you want to jump, you press the space button and this give this guy a sort of up velocity. Okay, and to keep the velocity at the x-axis. So yeah, so what I'm trying to do is to let the fire only when this player touch the ground. So what I'm going to do is to use the let me just select the tile map, use the layer or tag system. Okay, so essentially you can grab that specific tag or specific layer, saying that you got only when you touch a certain thing, a certain layer, or certain. Sometimes I use the tag for tag the player or tag the enemy, something like that. Right now, I think I'm going to use layer. So when you actually touch that masked space, only when that time comes, you will be able to do something. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to just go back to code, and when I need to reference that, I'm going to change that. Okay. So yeah, I think jump speed, all that, decorations. Let's add one more decoration, and that will be our capsule collider, because capsule collider 2D, because that's the collider that I'm aiming for. Player collider, that's pretty good. And I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to say that start our script. I'm going to say the player collider will be get component, and that component will be capsule collider 2D. Yeah, so I successfully get that, and yeah. So once I get that, just as I get this animator rigid body 2D, something like that, and I'm going to use that. So what I'm trying to do is to before we actually jump, okay, on jump, before actually jump, and give this rigid body a Y jump speed, I'm going to make a judgment. Okay, so yeah, I think maybe before this if statement, if control, so the logic operator, just before that, and yeah, and I'm going to give this a and maybe just say if you're not touching the ground, and you can't fire that, something like that. So let me just do that. If yeah, I think they automatically generate that. Let me check that whether it's correct or not. If the player collider is touching layers, and get mask parameter ground and return. Yeah, so if it's not touching the ground, it will not jump, even though if you press the jump button, it will just return, which means that it will just jump out of this without actually execute this code. So we're going to name this ground, and we're going to find ground in the Unity engine, and we got this layer mask. Layer is default right now. I'm going to add this layer. Remember, you select this time map because you are going to add this layer. And I'm going to say layer ground. Okay, so we actually is that layer, and let's just test this out. Sorry, I think I need to stop this in order to make changes. Okay, we're going to our layer, we got ground, let's just leave it here. And since it's already added, I'm going to choose that and then play that. Okay, and so I press that, it jump, and even though it's at space, I press multiple times, still it won't work. That's the reason that I add a sort of logic statement before that, because as long as you touch the ground, you'll be able to jump, but if you press that, you'll be in the air, so you won't be able to jump. So I think that's pretty good. So you only be able to jump once, and then you can say that if the player's level is more than 30 level, or reaching a criteria of the player is a certain class, and you will be able to jump, say 2 times most. Something like that. Okay, so I think that's one bug down, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. So and I think the map is a little bit boring, so let's add some pretty complex map. So maybe add multi-layers map, and adding more logic, so we can control this player. Not only will he be able to just jump to cross the hurdles, or maybe jump to another platform, he'll be able to say maybe get some rope, and this player can grab that rope and climb it up. Okay, so I just really love the game MapleStory, and I really love that when they climb a rope, and some class can even release some skill when they're on the rope, so something like that. So I'm trying to replicate that. So I think in the next video I'm going to do that. And before we actually do that, I think I need to get the climbing animation ready. And I don't think this file, I download the free night files, and we get PNG. It's got just the animation of attacking. If you look at the right side, you got attacking, you got this where is it? I think I accidentally you got attacking, we got the blocking and walking, winging, but do not have climbing. So maybe we need to create that ourselves. Okay, and I think we still get a lot of it to do.